Onions is already brown. Now we can put now this garlic. Onions, garlics, ginger is already brown. Now we can put this salt, turmeric powder, chili powder. And then we can put also half of this plau masala. I will cook today plau, not biryani. This kind of masala, this one plau. Then to be followed by tomatoes, green chili. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this chicken. This is one chicken, almost 2 kilogram. So we'll put now here. Now let's check. I add also potatoes, slices of potatoes. I put already water here and it's already boiling. Now we can put now this basmati rice, more than 1.5 kilogram basmati rice, because chicken is more than 2 kilogram. So I wash this one 3 times, then I soak it for 10 minutes. Now I will put now this rice here. Now we can put now this half packet of plau masala. Now we can put now toppings, cabbage, because I have extra cabbage, so better I will use this one. And then I will put also coriander leaves and tomatoes. Make. Yan. So all one dish is ready, chicken potato plau. Then next I have to make is macaroni.